Guys, Kramer here with another piece of our gently used inventory at Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson. This is a 2007 Night Train, trimmed out in denim black. It's got a beautiful bobtail fender, some bullet style turn signals, a 21-inch laced front wheel with a little bit of rake. You've got 2-inch risers, some beautiful drag bars on here, and the most special thing about this bike, guys, it's got an open primary. I don't know how many of you have seen an open primary or seen it work or run, but this is a really cool, one-of-a-kind set-off on a really cool, one-of-a-kind night train. It's also got a 2-to-1 exhaust. It's the Reaper pipe. It sounds amazing, guys, when you got this thing all cranked up. If you want to check this out, come by, give us a call, or come down and take it for a test ride. My name's Kramer, and I'm in your corner. Sweet!